Well, some people will need help cleaning up from this flooding after this afternoon's downpours. This was the soggy scene outside the Knightsbridge apartment complex after getting soaked by the storm, and we aren't done with the rain just yet. Meteorologist Kate Bilo here with a look at where the heaviest rain is hitting right now. Hi, Kate.
Hi, Jessica. Yeah, right here, Center City behind me. You can't even see the buildings. It is pouring torrential rainfall in the city. A flash flood warning has just been issued for Center City, Philadelphia, and all areas surrounding the city as well. But the worst of it so far has been up in lower Bucks County and parts of Burlington County, New Jersey. Just had reports of major flooding ongoing in the Tullytown section of Bucks County and water rescues being conducted in parts of lower Bucks as well. It is still raining in that area. It has not slowed down. It is starting ever so slightly to push to the south, but now that same cell is stalled right over the city, and that's what has prompted the flash flood warning. So you can see flash flood warnings right along this storm, which has not moved basically since about 2 o'clock this afternoon. That cell has been sitting over lower Bucks and upper Burlington County. Again, this is shifting down to the south right now, but there are 2 flash flood warnings. The first one for parts of Bucks, Burlington, and the northeast part of Philadelphia County. That goes until 9 o'clock p.m. Here's the new one for cities like Philadelphia, Pennsauken, Camden, Merchantville. That one goes until 10:15 tonight. And again, this is the most populated part of our area, including the city. Over 1.5 million people just in that second flash flood warning. We also have a storm moving east over parts of Lancaster County, but it is not moving very quickly at all. We'll have to keep an eye on this as it moves into Chester County, no longer under a severe thunderstorm warning. That has been allowed to expire early because that storm is just not moving. But once again, a look at these rain totals, and you can see this has extended down now into northeast Philadelphia. Look at these totals here. We're talking over 5 inches of rain where you see that bright pink shading. We had a report in parts of Bucks County of about 3.5 inches in the course of an hour and a half or 2 hours. Many spots will end up with likely half a foot of rain. Reports of major basement flooding happening right now in Florence, and the flash flood watch is in effect right through 5 o'clock tomorrow morning as these storms will continue to fire up as we go through the evening. So storms may produce torrential rainfall. They are very slow moving. So now that that cell is over the city, I expect it's going to keep raining for the better part of at least an hour, and we could possibly see 2, 3, 4 inches of rain quickly, even over Center City. And again, urban areas are at heightened risk. We don't have as much grass in the city to soak up that rainfall, so you get a ton of runoff into the streets. Any smaller creeks and streams may rise quickly. If you can, stay off the roads. I know that's a lot to ask. It's a busy time of night, but in the city, nearby suburbs, in those flash flood zones, there are already water rescues ongoing. If you don't have to go out, don't go out tonight. Severe thunderstorm watch goes until 9 p.m. In the meantime, it is so hot and so humid and will stay that way into tomorrow. In fact, in the city, it has cooled off just slightly with the rain, but overnight it's going to feel still like the 80s when you wake up tomorrow morning, and tomorrow's another hot day. Now, there will be some heavy storms tomorrow, but they do look a bit more scattered than today and likely off to the north and west. Wednesday, another chance for scattered morning and again afternoon storms. Thursday may stay dry, but this pattern is not going anywhere, sadly. Right through the weekend, we're going to be tracking the threat for locally heavy thunderstorms and highs still in the 90s Friday and Saturday. Yuki?
All right, keep an eye. Thank you, Kate. Appreciate it.